Hi Draw-So Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Zeke from Toca Boca. So let's get started. To draw cute Zeke, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So we're going to come right here and draw a curve. And about right here, just draw a soft curve. And so this is for the eye that's winking. So we're going to thicken this curve up. And then let's come down right here, and I'm just going to kind of wobble and thicken up these, make it look like lashes, and just kind of give it a little wobble like that. Then we're going to come right across, say about this wide, about right there. And this is going to be my center. I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. So imagine as if you were drawing a circle for this, it would be about the same size. If the eye was open, so about right there, about this wide. And I'll shade it all in. So you know what, actually just put it, let's try a highlight. I'm not sure yet, but if it doesn't look right, I'll shade it all in. But for now, I'll put that in. Okay, so now my circle, my eyes in. Let's see here, let's come to the center about right here, and we're just gonna draw this little oval at a slight slant. And then we're going to draw a mouth that's also at a slant. So let's come underneath that nose right in the center. We're just going to draw this little angle line, and then I'm going to round it off, and just connect. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to come back to the top of the eye. So let's just say, imagine this eye is coming out about right here. Give myself a point next to this, and we're just going to draw a curve. And so the top of this eye, give yourself a point about right there. And on this side, we're going to draw an angle line. There, so that's the difference. And then from there, I'm just going to give myself a point right in the center. Let's say about right here, kind of like where I want his chin to be. Give myself a little point. So let's go ahead and I'll bring this down a little bit more, same on both sides, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. 2 more point, and same thing here. So just framing the face. There. So now that we have that part in, let's go ahead and we're going to draw his bangs. So I'm going to go up nice and high to say about right there. And then we're going to bring in 3 strands. So I'm going to curve in towards the nose. And we're going to draw 1 curve. And then it's going to go up higher, close to his eye. 2, and then 1 more about right here, and then we're going to connect with a curve there. And then before I forget, let's come back into this space, and we're going to draw his brow. So just a soft arc and then thicken it up. So imagine this on the other side about right here, whatever space you have. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're just going to continue this face, this shape right here. We're just going to be nice big oval. So I'm going to bring this up, and same thing here. And so let's bring it up nice and high. We're just imagining this big oval, round oval. So I'm going to go up. Let's see. To about this high. So that's kind of my center. Come back in here, fix my curve, and then let's bring this all the way around. So just like the other side, we're going to bring it back to here. There. Okay. So this side is a little bit flatter now that I'm looking at it. So definitely make adjustments as you go, cuties, with a pencil. Hope you're using a pencil. It is a big curve. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back to the bottom and we're going to draw because he's wearing a hoodie. So this is my center. I'm going to come right about here, give myself a point, and I'm going to draw an angle towards that point, round it off, and go back up. So this part is all dark. I'll shade that in so we can see it a little bit better. And then let's see, in this space right here, because this is a hoodie, we're going to draw the zip tie, so the drawstring I mean. So this is my center. I'm going to come down here with a little point. I'm going to use this as my marker to draw a curve. And I'll thicken this up right there, tie it off, give it a little loop, and same thing here. There. And then let's come in between. So we're just going to draw this, you know, it's easier for my hands. So I'm going to come up my center, so about this thick. And I'm just going to follow my curve all the way down. So turn your paper if you need to, or your body, whatever helps you to draw this big curve. So just follow the curve that you drew. And then coming back, so about right here. Okay, and then let's go ahead and connect it. There, so same thing over here. There, finally. That's the hardest part, right? The biggest part. We have to draw this huge curve. And then let's come back up about right here. We're going to draw some ears. So come here, grow a slight curve and round off the tip. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Oops. So about right here. And bring it in for two little ears. Okay, so we're finally done with the head. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's come back about right here and here in the center. And we're just going to draw an angle line down. And about right here, round it off. And connect with a slight wobble. And then the bottom part, we're going to continue it with another curve for his bottom and connect. And then his legs. So let's start about right here. We're going to go straight down and let's cut it off with a curve. Round it off. I love how these Toca Boca characters are so simple and so fun to draw. So hopefully I'm helping you today. And then let's come down for his shoes. And then we're just going to pop them up, round it off, give it a little angle and connect. And then for some detail, come right here with a curve, following the shape that you drew, and then just two lines right here. So same thing on this side. Just going to draw his legs straight down. Try and make it the same thickness. Cut it off. And same thing. So angle. And connect. And then once again, go up and then two lines there. And before I forget, there's some rips. I believe these are what they are two of them here and then one bigger one here. And then there's a pocket right here on the center bottom. So I'm just going to round off and draw this rounded off rectangle for his pocket, and I'll put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Zeke from Toca Boca. And then of course now the arms. So we're going to come right here and come down about right there. Bring it in, little cuff, and then we're going to draw a thumb and round. So same thing here, kind of like as if they're wearing gloves. So same thing, about right here. Cut it off, little cuff, and thumb, and connect. There. And let's see if I'm forgetting anything. Hopefully I haven't. But that is pretty much it for my, and then, oh, when you're coloring, there's stripes, these zigzag stripes on his sweatshirt, but I don't want to muddle with my Sharpie, so I'll do that when I color it. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Zeke from Toca Boca. I really hope you loved this drawing, and I hope you draw fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.